The other question I have for you, and something that I've been asked a lot of people. So, you've been in carpentry 5 years. How did you land in carpentry? How did you realize you were a skilled carpenter?
Wow, that's a long story. Um, I always liked it as a kid, just literally from watching TV, like shows like This Old House and whatnot. Watched a lot of PBS,
Yep.
and so I found myself. I did pretty well academically all throughout elementary, middle school, high school. I started feeling a little less than enthusiastic.
Mhm.
So I attended a vocational technical high school
Cool.
and took a carpentry program there and did really well with it, but was never really interested in pursuing it for work, to be perfectly honest with you. So after that, I got into sales, car sales, the car sales industry, different positions, did that for probably 15 years
Okay.
and was just absolutely miserable the entire time. I hated everything about it. And I reconsidered carpentry just as a kind of last resort, to be honest with you. I was at my wit's end. And almost immediately, I felt a complete turnaround in my personal life and my even my financial life, even though it's not quite as lucrative as sales was, because I just enjoy it so much.
Yeah.
I tend to work more and take on more work. So I'm doing better in that respect as well. And so here I am.
So I'm really glad I recorded that. Do you tell that story very often to people?
No.
Okay.
I mean, yeah, yes, and it doesn't, not typically.
Yeah. So knowing that you're pretty astute and you're a smart guy, your story is going to be huge. And same backstory for me. Sales, miserable, hated it. Going to work, miserable. Went to lunch, wasn't enjoying it. Would drink beers instead of eating because it was much easier to sell when you have a couple in. It was really a bad time. And I was just talking to someone that I know that's in real estate, and she was saying very much the same thing. When she was starting out, she was miserable, and then she really found her passion for it. So, cool thing is, you found your passion. You reconnected with your high school sweetheart, which was carpentry. It's pretty cool. So, first thing I'd say is figure out ways to keep telling that story. Tell that story in different with different angles, different hooks. Use that on your website. Consider recording a video to introduce yourself and Guzman Fine Carpentry, and tell people how you reconnected with carpentry and it makes you happier personally, professionally, everything, and how you're bringing that into their home. That's number one, right? So before we even look at your website, I can tell you that's a fundamental, having your story down and being able to tell people, even being able to kind of weave it in when you're talking. You're already a salesperson. You did it for so long. Weave that story in when you're talking to a new prospect where you're going to be doing their home. Right. I'm going to feel like I trust you a lot more if I hear that story than you just coming in saying, okay, yep, we're going to do this. We're going to tear them out. We're going to put new faces on. It's going to cost X thousands of dollars.
Yeah.
Right. So rapport. So that's one.